Hey guys, I'm Adam from Thinkware, and today I want to tell you all about our brand new dashcam models, the Q1000 and the X800. So let's dive right into it. Okay, let's get some basics out of the way first. Both of these cameras come equipped with a premium Sony image sensor to capture stunning footage in 2K QHD video quality, ensuring you can make out all details, even small ones. Both dashcams can also record the rear of your vehicle by adding a rear view camera. The X800's rear view camera records in 1080p, while the Q1000 rear view camera records in 2K QHD quality. Some of our viewers with a keen eye might have noticed a little bit of difference between the Q1000 and the X800 video recordings. That's because the Q1000 has de-warping technology. It ensures that edge distortions that typically occur in footage filmed with a wide-angle lens are kept to a minimum. This is particularly helpful since the Q1000 captures footage with an impressive 156-degree viewing angle. The X800, on the other hand, captures with a wide-angle view of 150 degrees, but does not have de-warping technology. Either way, you can rest assured that both the Q1000 and X800 will get you the whole picture with their wide-angle view. The whole picture. Now, you might be wondering if the nighttime recording of these cameras is any good.
Yeah, we want to know it.
Well, the X800's Super Night Vision 2.0 technology enhances video brightness in low light conditions, so you get clear videos with minimum noise. Being a more premium model, the Q1000 features instead Super Night Vision 3.0 technology with high dynamic range. It improves upon Super Night Vision 2.0 and enhances the nighttime video quality even more thanks to HDR. If you're looking for more safety features to make your drive safer, like safety camera alerts and ADAS, then you're looking in the right place. The Q1000 comes with built-in GPS, which allows the dashcam to track your vehicle's speed, time, and route history.
Speed and red light camera in 300 meters. Speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour.
And enable safety camera alerts as well as ADAS. To get the same advanced features in the X800, all you have to do is pair it with a Thinkware external GPS antenna. As you can see, the X800 is an LCD model. Its 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen provides a convenient user experience by allowing you to adjust settings, live view, and playback recordings instantly from the device. Let's now discuss the Q1000 in more detail and see what sets it apart from other dashcams in the market. Accompanying the Q1000 is the all-new Thinkware Connected app, which gives you access to connected features like remote live view, strong impact notification with video upload, send emergency messages, and many more. Another cool feature of the Q1000 is its built-in Bluetooth. It allows you to easily pair your smartphone to the dashcam's dual-band Wi-Fi, so you can play back videos or adjust settings on the fly. When choosing a dashcam, one of the most important aspects to consider is the parking surveillance mode. You should be able to rely on your dashcam to record incidents like hit and runs while your car is parked. Hardwiring any Thinkware dashcam enables parking surveillance and allows you to choose between different parking modes, such as motion and impact detection, time-lapse, and energy-saving mode. To increase reliability in extreme conditions, the Q1000 introduces our latest safety feature, Smart Parking Mode. This new addition helps to prevent heat-related damage by automatically switching the dashcam to a low-power mode if the temperature inside the vehicle gets too high during parking surveillance. In this low-power mode, the Q1000 will record a 20-second video immediately after impact has been detected. To put it in a nutshell, the Q1000 is the ideal choice for a customer who is looking for a connected dashcam with all the latest and greatest features that Thinkware has to offer. For customers who are looking for a high-performance, but no-frills and budget-friendly 2K dashcam, the X800 is the way to go. Either way, you can't go wrong with these two latest additions to our Thinkware dashcam lineup.